Imagine living in a vibrant city without the choking traffic. Just convenient bike paths, transit, and lush gardens everywhere. Sounds kind of like an urban Eden, right? That's why this kind of development is called Edenicity. Okay, future Edenican, let's talk about what it's going to take to make it happen. Step 1. Get clear on the concept. Jubilant, earth-healing cities for all. That's Edenicity. Our videos explore the design science of urban ecology with insights you won't find anywhere else. We showcase the best practices from the world's most sustainable communities and livable cities. We may even tour existing car-free places and review up-and-coming sustainable brands. Be sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out. We also have playlists that curate the best videos on the most sustainable transit, housing, energy, and food systems, so you can get up to speed on these topics in a hurry. So many incredibly abundant solutions already exist. It's amazing how few people know about them, including city leaders, planners, and developers. We're here to change that. Step 2. Build a movement. This starts when you like, comment on, and subscribe to our videos. But it doesn't stop there. If you know anyone who could use a little hope for the future, they've got to see this. We put a link to this whole series of short videos in the description, so grab it and share it with anyone who needs it. Taking action is really important because there's so much resistance to change. On this channel, we'll also introduce you to grassroots efforts already engaged in making cities greener and more prosperous for all. Step 3. Rate your city on how Edenic it is now. In other words, it's Edenicity. And yes, we're so green we even recycled the word Edenicity. When this channel reaches 10,000 followers, we'll open up a membership program so you can post your city's Edenicity score on our World Edenicity map. Cities with higher Edenicity scores are much more attractive places to live. By rating the Edenicity of where you live, you're giving cities incentive to compete for global talent by becoming safe, healthy, affordable places with great transit, so it's easier for people to become talented. For cities, this creates a race to the top, the exact opposite of the current race to the bottom, where cities weaken the public sphere with tax incentives to lure big employers. Step 4. We'll create Edenicity plans for neighborhoods and cities, partner with governments, developers, and grassroots organizations, and start building. Step 5. You move into an Edenicity development. Welcome home, Edenican. Life just got easier for you and every living being on this planet. Are you in? Let us know in the comments.